Ever pondered the secret to crafting the flawless fried eggs with grilled eggplant and feta cheese? Or perhaps the perfect grilled beef slices with roasted zucchini and garlic sauce? How about spaghetti squash with meatballs and marinara sauce? Well, wonder no more. Today, unlock the secrets to these culinary delights. Imagine starting the day with a breakfast of champions: fried eggs with grilled eggplant and feta cheese. Begin by heating a tablespoon of olive oil over a medium flame. Crack open 2 fresh eggs into the pan and fry until the edges turn crispy. Simultaneously, slice an eggplant into thin rounds and grill them till they achieve a nice char. Assemble the dish by placing the fried eggs on a plate, top them with the grilled eggplant and sprinkle generously with crumbled feta cheese. A dash of freshly ground pepper and a sprig of parsley and voila, the perfect breakfast is served. Moving on to lunch, picture this: succulent grilled beef slices with roasted zucchini and garlic sauce. Start by marinating the beef slices in a mix of soy sauce, garlic, and honey for about an hour. Grill these marinated beef slices on a hot grill until they reach your desired level of doneness. Meanwhile, slice zucchinis into half moons and roast them in an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown. Prepare a simple garlic sauce by sautéing minced garlic in butter and whisking in a tablespoon of flour, followed by a cup of beef broth. Allow the sauce to simmer until it thickens. Serve the grilled beef slices with the roasted zucchini and drizzle generously with the garlic sauce. Finally, for dinner, imagine a plate of spaghetti squash with meatballs and marinara sauce. Begin by roasting a halved spaghetti squash in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit until the flesh is easily shredded with a fork. For the meatballs, combine ground beef, breadcrumbs, parmesan, eggs, and spices. Form into balls and bake until golden. Simmer a homemade marinara sauce with diced tomatoes, garlic, onions, and herbs. Serve the spaghetti squash topped with the meatballs and marinara sauce. There you have it. 3 delectable meals to satisfy your taste buds from sunrise to sunset. From the perfect breakfast of fried eggs with grilled eggplant and feta cheese, to a lunch of succulent grilled beef slices with roasted zucchini and garlic sauce, and finally, a dinner of spaghetti squash with meatballs and marinara sauce. Who knew the art of cooking could be so simple, yet so delicious? Remember, the secret to great cooking is patience, fresh ingredients, and a dash of love. Happy cooking!